Petite cerise qui ne cesse de rougir, je t'écris cette chanson pour mon plus grand plaisir. Tu te souviens notre premier jour, déjà je disais qu'entre nous du sérieux c'était. En effet je savais que les jours c'est en moi et années que je les compterais. Tu vois un an et un mois plus tard, je compte de ma plume cette petite histoire. Année 2006, comme toujours l'envie de bien faire subsiste. Mais cette année semblait me narguer, embarqué dans la galère j'ai craqué. Malchance et stupidité l'ont emporté, déporté sur une route au sentier peu éclairé. 2 mois seulement étaient passés ainsi, je redoutais la suite. Hausse de ma consommation de shit et quelques cuites pour tenir la distance. Cramer mes neurones comme de l'essence, l'essence endormie, évasion de l'esprit. Mais à la mi-mars tout a changé, grâce à une autre fille nos rapports ont évolué, dépassant de loin l'amitié. Maintenant je sais que besoin de toi j'avais. Toutes les planètes ne se valent pas, mais le bonheur perdure au fur et à mesure. Plus rien ne s'en va, ne s'en va. Tu sais que rares ont été les prises de tête, et bizarrement je souris quand j'y repense dans ma tête. Il y a tant de détails qui me font penser à toi, et toutes ces musiques que je ne peux écouter sans toi. Tu sais que pareil que cette pudeur, je n'ai pas pour habitude d'écrire avec le cœur, mais cette chanson ma foi, tu la mérites des 1000 fois. Car aujourd'hui si je t'écris, c'est que je te remercie d'être resté auprès de moi, malgré ces plusieurs mois de pépins physiques pour moi. Si je ne compte pas ma famille, tu es la seule personne qui m'a soutenu, une aide indispensable que j'ai reçue. Je sais que tu joueras la carte de la modestie, mais je te le dis, il y a un tas de filles qui m'auraient lâché afin de s'éclater un peu plus à leur soirée. Ainsi je suis fier de toi, fier de mon choix, car j'ai choisi le bonheur avec toi. La discussion s'allongea et tous deux s'allongèrent. Hier la terre, aujourd'hui Pluton, elle traverse et retourne mon imagination. La vie a fait naître en moi un sentiment de méfiance, mais désormais le futur n'a plus guère d'importance, car le présent que tu m'offres est chaque jour plus intense. Et j'enchaîne sur un 3e couplet, car écrire sur toi, tu vois ça me plaît. En quelque sorte tu es la source de mon inspiration, celle qui embellit mes journées de la plus belle des façons. En fait de toutes les filles que j'ai connues, tu es la seule qui mérite toute mon attention. J'ai vu la pluie faire naître une fleur, une touche de douceur, une touche de bonheur. Et si un jour cette histoire doit prendre fin, quoi qu'il se passe, c'est avec le sourire que je m'en rappellerai. Intense, chance, espérance, voici un bout de route sans nuance.
This position, I guess I should've listened. See, you were that dime piece I couldn't pass up, but now I'm thinking back, I should've. I'm thinking and wishing, if only I listened, I wouldn't be missing you in this condition I'm in. Would have been a broken heart at the start. You gave me the spark, now I'm left in the dark. We did what we like, it was for only one night. I broke out of sight, went up with my life, thinking it was alright. Telling me I got a seed, named it after me. Couldn't believe, so now you're telling me it took one line, one time to make you mine. Here you come as I shine, there just wasn't time, but the crime. But me not take responsibility of what I created. I made it, it just couldn't be. So shorty, we get along, make a relationship strong. How things change from one night to getting it on. I guess I was wrong, thought the way I was feeling. It's hard to believe the situation I was dealing with. Not this ever happened to me. The breaking your heart will leave me lonely. Had to go and deal with something like this. Thought you'd be the one that I with, but I never thought this ever happened to me. Breaking your heart will make me lonely. Had to go and deal with something like this. Thought you'd be the one that I with. And after 2 years, what I didn't want to hear, and my biggest fear in my whole life was going to shift gears, telling me that little one may not be the one. I may not be the father to the daughter, the son. The pain has begun. I don't know, I can't let go. Your pain hit me low like putting us on a talk show. For real though, I heard how you are. It was so bizarre, I can't believe all about. Tell the kids they got a friend, and I'll always send my love. Hope the heart's made, cause this is the end, and I'll never get lied to again.
I never
Stop this ever happened to me.
I never
The breaking your heart would leave me lonely.
I never
Had to go and deal with something like this.
I never
Thought you'd be the one that I met. I never thought this ever happened to me.
I never
Breaking your heart would leave me lonely.
I never
Had to go and deal with something like this.
I never
Thought you'd be the one that I miss. I never would've thought I'd get caught up in your game. You have one thing to game, do you have no shame? I guess I'm to blame for that lust of one night. So I must go and do right. You're not ruining my life as much as you like, but that kid is not mine. Helping you's the last time. What you did was a crime. I got you with one line. I have so many regrets. Time for me to step, cause my heart is nothing in it left. Thought I was blessed, turned out to be a curse, but you couldn't get any worse. You bring more hurt when they're giving you the shirt off my back for you. Now I'm here, I'm at that point, I'm done with your boo. Don't wanna be rude, but it all has come to an end. You better start over and over, God knows where you've been. I hate it, perpetrated the ultimate sin. You went from 1 to being a 10, a brother can't win.
I never
Thought this ever happened to me.
I
The
never
breaking your heart would leave me lonely.
I never
Had to go and deal with something like this.
I never
Thought you'd be the one that I miss, and I never thought that would ever happen to me.
I never
Breaking your heart would leave me lonely.
I never
Had to go and deal with something like this.
I never
Thought you'd be the one that I miss. Black roots, baby.
Débutons cette chanson par le chef de famille, gardien de la paix, père dans les civils, un français moyen, fier de ses origines, belliqueux, coléreux et un peu misogyne. À l'écoute des grosses têtes, il peaufine sa culture qu'il étale toujours. Comme la confiture le dimanche à la chasse, voilà sa tradition, le litron et les balles lui servent de munitions. Son épouse s'exécute, insipide et soumise, ménagère, accomplie. Le silence comme devise, vie par procuration. Quand elle lit, voici, s'imagine ainsi, riche et loin d'ici, avec des mères commères, elle dispute dans la rue des palabres dignes d'un débâché de la rue. Mais ne tarde pas, car dehors le danger de ces jeunes basanés qui pourraient l'agresser. La fille de 14 ans se trouve super belle, même que maman croit qu'elle sera top modèle. S'imagine déjà la reine des podiums, de toute évidence, elle n'est pas médium. Et elle se voit aussi en chanteuse Lolita, même qu'au karaoké, on dirait Priscilla. Elle s'est fait caster pour la Star Academy, ils ont dit casse-toi, tu chantes comme un grizzly. Son frère 20 ans est agent de sécurité, tribune Boulogne, supporte le PSG par racisme et pense qu'il y a trop d'immigrés. Qui dit les vols, le travail des Français, sa copine TDI a des jantes chromées suréquipées comme une fille. S'il y connaît pour son bébé, il dépense toutes ses thunes dans le tuning et les rallyes nocturnes. Au mois d'août vient le temps des congés payés, la caravane chargée, direction Saint-Tropez. 1000 km après, les voilà entassés sur la plage abandonnée par les crustacés. La fille décomplexée se présente au casting, persuadée qu'elle est de gagner Miss Camping. Au soleil elle a bronzé, masqué son acné. Dommage que sa mocheté, elle puisse pas la cacher. Son frangin va en boîte, mais il sait pas danser, alors forcément il boit et finit bourré. Fatalement devient lourd et même grossier, résultat quelques claques de jeunes filles offusquées. Un stylo, un papier, la caméra armée, affûtée comme jamais. Les parents sont lancés, motivés pour traquer les proies de renommée qu'ils ne cessent d'adorer, d'aduler, d'admirer.
leave me,
13th.
you never leave me. That's cause you need me, but I ain't got time.
Are you
I'm
kidding?
on my grind, so stop being
13, the
greedy.
regular dames, doorway to better things. DuPont registry lanes, G-Unit, no games. My life is on a tour bus, I know it's hard to love a man whose birth certificate is the cover of a magazine. Usually businessy, but in the hood of things. We have a good time, well, when no bullets are exchanged. But you got joined the game, and I'm finished with the juveniles like Lil Wayne. Yet I'm the best rapper alive. Same time you shopping till it's gone. It's nothing when your credit card look like they've been on the beach too long. The private part's longer than the flight to Japan. You can't leave me, I'm the quicksand, and it's Tim's tan.
I know it ain't easy, I know it ain't easy, but you never leave me, you never leave me. That's cause you need me, but I ain't got time. Nope, I'm on my grind, so stop being greedy. I know it ain't easy, I know it ain't easy, but you never leave me, you never leave me. That's cause you need me, but I ain't got time.
Knock it off.
I'm on my grind, so stop being
Look, ma,
greedy.
you don't need to blow my phone all up. What you need is to act right and grow on up. What you mad about now? Man, you know I'm a pimp. And Mariah Carey lied, she ain't suck my dick. I mean, I would let her though, and I wish it was true. But I love you right now, I wouldn't do that to you. And when you sent me to the store to get you something to eat, I know I took a long time, but I was only a week. Yeah, you got a cute face, and that's what got me hooked. But to keep it all real, you don't know how to cook. And you know you ain't leaving, you don't want it to end. Just give me one more chance, I won't do it again, alright?
I know it ain't easy, I know it ain't easy, but you never leave me, you never leave me. That's cause you need me, but I ain't got time. Nope, I'm on my grind, so stop being greedy. I know it ain't easy, I know it ain't easy, but you never leave me, you never leave me. That's cause you need me, but I ain't got time. Nope, I'm on my grind, so stop being greedy.
I don't wanna leave, but I gotta go right now. You heard this before, that's why you wanna go right now. You louder than a race car, baby, just pipe down. You going nowhere, cause I'm laying that pipe down. Daddy bringing money and that's something you like now. That ring on your finger got you acting right now. But right now the phone rings and you get pissed. Who's this? It don't matter, she just sucking my dick. Every couple gets in fight, but I don't want you gone. This dog is loyal, fuck around but come back home. I'm a hustler, a drunk and a bastard too. My life looks bad, but my bright spot, that's you.
I know it ain't easy, I know it ain't easy, but you never leave me, you never leave me. That's cause you need me, but I ain't got time. Nope, I'm